So me and Nicole were actually going to do this interview ourselves, but because our daughters are here, they felt the need to come in and
our mini me's.
Yeah, and show off our minis.
When I look back at pictures of me as two, she's my twin. Like she has my husband's nose a little bit, but I mean,
you're twinning over there.
yeah, she's like a clone, which is terrifying.
This is our life now. It's kind of crazy from 6-7 years ago, but this is our daily life. Our daughters are our #1 fans and our #1 supporters. And I think it's the best when we get to film with them.
Yeah. I mean, I think we've always wanted to be moms. We just didn't know the right time because obviously we were crazy and insane.
A little bit.
So we weren't really ready to have kids, but I mean, you're never really ready until you have them.
I was somebody that didn't have patience, and I was very, like, almost OCD. Like, I had to have things done at a certain time, this way, 24/7. And with kids, you can't. Like, you have to have patience, and you have to come to the fact that you will never be on time for anything ever again. Your kids will always come first. And I actually don't like going out. Like, I'd rather spend my Friday and Saturday nights with my children watching Rapunzel or Tangled or something rather than going out. I don't even know the last time like I went out.
We're just blessed at the fact that our kids are like the same age. Like
same age.
The girls are like best friends. They're going to grow up together. They're probably going to kill us.
Yeah.
Do what we did. But I mean, we're prepared.
Lots of gray hair.
We're prepared.
And you guys both have, I mean, now 2 girls and 2 boys. So you think the boys will become friends eventually too, I'm sure, right?
Yeah, I mean, Grayson is 8 months, but he's
a baby.
He literally
but he looks bigger than Lorenzo, who's 4. He's huge.
Huge. So when I look at him and Lorenzo together, I'm like, oh my God, they're so cute, but they are 4 years apart.
Jenny tied her tubes.
No, Roger's getting snipped the end of the month.
The worst.
I'm actually it's the day after my birthday, so I feel like that's an awesome birthday present. Thanks, babe. But yeah, I mean, he's 41. I'm in my 30. Yeah. Before Milani, I wanted 3, but then I had her. So 2's enough. You want like a football team.
Yeah, I want 2 more. So I think we're going to try, not soon, but you know, sooner than later. So yeah, I would like 2 more boys if that could happen. I don't want another one of these. She's too much.
That's why I won't have a 3rd because I have my
much.
princess. I cannot afford another princess.
Yeah.